Oracle HCM Cloud allows you as an employee to quickly access and update your personal information easily from any device. Let's start by tapping or clicking on About Me and then Personal Information to get started. Here you can view your personal details and update or add information such as a new phone number or mailing address. Oracle HCM Cloud validates dates, state, county, and zip code as you complete your information. Then click or tap Save and Close and you're done. Your changes are reflected immediately. You can also see other details: your benefit enrollment and cost, pay slips and payment methods, and your compensation details. Simple, efficient, and specific to you.